Hello, Nestor. It's Heidi, and I want to share with you this little thing I've been saying for years, and it is this. Who do you think you are? And I've said it so much over the years that now people are saying that to me. So last week I stayed up 3 times all night. Totally worth it. Dear good friend visiting from England. So what are you gonna do? But it doesn't negate the fact of who do you think you are? No. Modesty is about knowing your limitations. So I paid the price, but it was totally worth it. So I just had to make sure that I got plenty of rest and ate really well and tried to take care of my responsibilities without getting sick. When I was growing up, my oldest sister, when she would stay up all night, she would always get sick. Always. And it makes sense because your immune system just kind of shuts down when it doesn't get enough sleep. So I was very careful to take good care of myself, and I survived. But just remember that sometimes when you're doing crazy stuff. Who do you think you are? This is Heidi with Nest Pretty, and I encourage you to share this message with your friends. You might just have an opportunity to say it. Who do you think you are? Have a great day.